Hello everyone, welcome to Alpos. For today's segment, we'll have Dr. Glen of UP Gardening School to have a quick talk with my partner Jeorge about environmental degradation.
Good morning, Dr. Lim.
Good morning, Jeorge.
What is environmental degradation?
The environmental degradation is a disintegration of the earth through consumption of assets, the destruction of environment, and the eradication of wildlife. It is characterized as many chains of aggravation of nature curve seen to be pernicious or undesirable.
What are the causes of environmental degradation?
The most obvious causes are pollution, overpopulation, landfills, and deforestation. The pollution, the contaminated air or we breathe cause health issues. Polluted water degrades the quality of water we drink. The land pollution results in the degradation of the earth's surface. Overpopulation, rapid population growth puts strain to natural resources, which result to degradation of our environment. This results more demand for food and clothes and shelter. Landfills. Landfill came due to large amount of waste that get generated by factories and hospitals. Deforestation, it contributes to global warming as decrease the forest size carbon back in the environment. Of course, humans aren't totally blamed for these whole things. Earth itself causes illogical issues as well, while environmental degradation is normally connected with the things that people do. The truth of the matter is that the environment is always changing.
How can this affect the environment?
First and foremost, it has an impact on human health. Air exposed to toxic air pollutant can cause respiratory problems like pneumonia and asthma. Millions of people are known have died due to direct effect of air pollution. Lost biodiversity. Biodiversity is important in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem in form of fighting pollution, restoring nutrients, and protecting water. The source in controlling climate, deforestation, global warming, overpopulation, and pollution are few major causes for loss of biodiversity. Ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer is responsible for protecting the earth from harmful ultraviolet rays. The presence of chlorofluorocarbon in the atmosphere is causing the ozone layer to deplete. As it depletes, it will emit harmful radiation back to the earth. Loss for tourism industry. Environmental damage can be big turnoff for most tourists and can affect people's livelihood and rely on tourism. As human dump waste products, use chemical and overfish in the ocean and seas, areas of the beauty such as coral reef are damaged. At times, destruction is so great it cannot be reserved. We are killing our planet and consequences are tremendous.
That seems horrendous, Dr. Lim. In what ways can we stop this?
There are ways we can help to decrease and stop degradation of our environment. The most essential way are reducing, reusing, recycle, conserving water, no littering or tossing waste in inappropriate places. Conserving energy, taking with others about impact of environmental degradation, and be an advocate to save our planet.
Back to you, Lanz.
Thank you, Dr. Lim, for the knowledge you shared with us today. We have a college student from University of Santa Ana who has a question for you, Dr. Lim. Here is Fidel.
Dr. Lim, how can degradation affect the endangered species?
Great question. Environmental degradation usually affects the habitat of the endangered species. Habitat loss poses the great threats of species. The world's forests, swampland, lakes, and other habitat continue to disappear as they harvest for human consumption and cleared to make way to agriculture, housing, roads, and other industrial development. Without a strong plan to strengthen terrestrial and marine protected areas, important ecological habitat will continue to be lost. It is identified as the main threats for 85% of all species that are marked threatened or endangered. Around half the world's originally forest has been disappeared. They are still being removed at the rate times 10 higher than the possible level of regrowth. Human impact of terrestrial and marine natural resources result to a marine coastal and degradation. In 1994, it was estimated that 37 global population lived within 60 kilometers of the coast. Poverty, consumption, and land use patterns contribute to the degradation of the marine habitat and destruction of the endangered species.
I surely assume that Dr. Lim has answered your question, Fidel. That's all for today. Till next time.